We went past another one of these ruins way back up there, but it was a lot more intact. Good few 100-year-old, but the rain's been that bad. You cannot record in it because your phone just goes to shit. It starts doing loads of random shit that you can't even fucking, you know what I mean? Yep, my knee's still bad. It's easing off now though, as I've been walking for a good few hours. And as you can see up there, the hike is in the distance. These valleys are just something else, man. Something else. We've got a window in the weather now where it's just opened up and you can actually see some nice views. So I'm going to get to Fort William, catch a train to Inverness, see my wee baby. Oh, it's been a month, 1 month and 1 day. So it's going to be like a really good ending to a really good journey, and a very horrific journey as well. So yeah, it's like the light at the end of a tunnel, making me all eager to push for the finish line to see my baby. Oh, I can't wait. It's been too long, man. We've just come from the valley down there, from where we're staying.